In this video, I'll show you how to install the Instagram app on an Android phone. So with all Android apps, you need to go into the Play Store. Make sure you're signed into your account. And you need to search for the app you want, which is Instagram. So type in Instagram. From the search results, click on Instagram. Feel free to browse through some of the information about the app, but when you're ready to install it, simply click on the blue install button. After a few seconds, the app will then start downloading to your phone. This could take several minutes, so be patient. Once downloaded, it'll then start installing onto your phone. Again, this could take several minutes. Once the app's downloaded and installed, you can simply click the open button to go direct to the app. But what I like to do is come out of the Play Store, scroll through my installed apps just to check there is a shortcut icon there, which as you can see there is. So the app has been downloaded and installed successfully. So simply click on that app to go ahead and open it.